we had seen oil getting a resistance at 73.5, 73.6 yesterday, and we have seen a good support at 72 also. And right now, again, trading very close to 72.5 critical support levels. At the same time, net gas has traded bearish. It has come down to 2.35 levels. So, what to expect? Can we expect oil and net gas to rise from here, or is it going to happen the other way around and both trading opposite, net gas to rise, oil to sell? Which position you should take trading both of these, and at what level, so that we can trade profitably? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. You can also join our free Telegram channel which keeps you updated with the live analysis. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into oil, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end here. And if you look at the hourly charts, now look at the hourly charts closely. See, firstly, it was trading with this as highs. Now it has created another bottom here and it is still trying to trade parallel to this. Hence, any drop below 72.2 or 72 specifically. Now see, 72 was the resistance here, the resistance here. Any drop below 72, we can expect 71.5 and 71 as the major support. Remember, till 71 it has got very good support, and below that further bearishness may prevail. Now what has happened on the hourly chart? See, it has taken a rise or a retracement lower highs and again has seen a drop. Hence the powers are not, you can say it is not showing up a power to continue with the bullish momentum. 73.5 to 73.8 and 74, these three are the major resistance levels, major hurdles for oil to pass by. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD trying to cross over for a sell here, but it is almost at the zero line. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. If you look at 2-hour charts, what it has done, see, it traded with a divergence from the moving average here. It is dropped below, let the moving average converge here. It is again come back to the moving averages. Now again trying to swing across the moving average. Now what does this mean? If you take it as median, almost from 72 to 73.5, it is trying to just stay away within this. Right now it has seen a good drop. Let it stay below 72 and you can again go for a sell. Still, I will say till 71.4, 71.5 zone, and till 71 rather, one has to remain extremely cautious, watchful. It can bounce back again. See, stochastic has dropped here. MACD is taking a crossover for a sell. RSI looking down, trying to indicate little bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, this is the first red candle. Possibility for a second or third consecutive candle exists. However, since it is, you can see 4 green candles, 1 red candle, everything is almost covered here. Let's observe more till 72. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. RSI looking down, trying to trade bearish. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see what it is trying to do. Lower highs, lower lows, means 70 to 71.8 is still going to remain a very good support. Stochastic has dropped here too. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. It is starting to diverge. Let's observe more. RSI looking down, trying to indicate slight bearishness. And now looking at the daily. Now see, look at the daily charts first of all. You will find the support here on the downside is very strong. We have seen multiple candles getting the support there. We have seen the top there, the highs there. 2 of the channels are existing. First resistance now at 76, and then beyond that anyways it is going to go past 78 and 80 levels. So right now it is getting the support from the bottom here. This is also the 20 period moving average, simple moving average, which is giving it a support here. And the exponential moving averages have started to converge a bit. You can see these were trading with divergence, now has started to converge. However, 1500 are still trading with the almost parallel, and hence any drop below 72 should be a good sell entry. However, still I will say 71.8, 71.5 and 71, these 3 levels one has to be watchful, be careful, be observant. It can reverse any point of time and then you are trapped, and hence we have to observe here more. At the same time, a buy entry is only above 73.2 levels. You can expect 73.5 and 74. These are the 2 levels which it needs to pass by in order to confirm the reversal there. Now see, the stochastic has dropped a bit, trying to trade flat. MACD is trying to converge. RSI trying to look down, trying to indicate slight bearishness. Hence, for the day in between 72 and 73, do not take any position. And if you are taking a sell entry at 72, still be watchful, cautious, observant. In fact, till 71.5, 71, there should not be any bearishness. It can bounce back, recover strongly. It can rebound strongly, and hence one has to strictly trade with the stop loss at cost, so that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. On the upside, you can buy at 73. However, 73.2, 73.6, 73.8, 74. Only and only above 74, you can say oil has breached the resistance, and we are going to look at again 76, 75 levels, and beyond that also is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to the natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Only couple of seats are left. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy which can help you become a profitable and independent trader. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals definitely you can benefit. Reach out to again on the same IDs for more details. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. On the hourly charts on net gas, lower highs are seen, flat bottom is seen. It is happening after a strong bearish breakout. Hence, below 2.35 you can again stay short, expect it to drop more, and a buy at 2.38. But remember 2.4, 2.4 to 2.45. These are the three levels which it needs to break past by. If it stays above 2.45, then you can consider it for a good reversal and we may see it rising high. Stochastic has retraced a bit. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. Right now it is on the sell, and the RSI is almost trading at the bottom. And if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, remember this fact. See, it is getting the support here. If it reverses the lower highs, hence 2.38 levels, definitely you can buy. Expect 2.44 to 45, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Right now it is consolidating. Let it give a breakout either which ways. On the downside, we have to wait for it to break past 2.35. On the upside, wait for it to break past 2.38. Stochastic coming out, MACD trying to converge, RSI at bottom, and see still the bearishness is there. If you look at 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour chart, the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now it is consolidating. It means there could be couple of outcomes of this. It is consolidating. It has not seen the bottom. If it reverses from here, 2.4, 2.5 levels can be expected here. Stochastic is oversold, hence the recovery can be expected. Third crossover in MACD, possibly a crossover here will bring more bullishness. RSI at bottom, and on the 4-hour charts, likewise this is the, you can say, consolidation going on here. Any breakout beyond 2.38, just stay long and we can expect a rise there. Stochastic at bottom here to MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI at bottom too. And on the daily charts, now on the daily charts, wait for the next candle. It is still consolidation here. Yes, the support there from the 20 period moving average is strong here at 2.35, 2.34, and hence you have to watchful of this stock. Now see, stock MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking downside, may bring little more bearishness, while stochastic getting oversold and RSI looking down, so indicating little bearishness there. You can sell at 2.34, buy at 2.38. In between these 4 cents, do not take any position in gas. Below 2.34, 2.3, and then 2.26, 2.2 levels can be expected. Very good support exists now at 2.2 levels. On the upside, beyond 2.38 till 2.4245 levels, we have to still remain observant. It is still not to be considered bullish. Only if it stays above 2.45, little more bullishness, and 2.5 levels can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.